Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Palmswap token. Ticker symbol is PALM. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko. Right now it's up 1.1%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Palmswap, all one word's the name of the token. It's sitting at about 2.4 cents per token. Palmswap.org is their official webpage. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Palmswap token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their BSC scan, which is listed on CoinGecko, or their official webpage, palmswap.org. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And most likely you'll be able to get this off their own swap, Palmswap. I mean, that seems pretty obvious. And they also have a Twitter linked on CoinGecko, as well as a Telegram, Discord, and Medium. According to their BSC scan, they have 1,963 holders so far, 17,951 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 39,264,201.2 tokens. If you go to their official webpage, it says Community Fair Launch is now live. Big pop-up comes up on the page there. And then they show you basically like the launch pad interface. They have their own launch pad. Basically, like Pink Sale is a launch pad if you don't know what a launch pad is for new tokens. You can connect your wallet to the page. They have farming, staking, leaderboard, portfolio, claims, trading. All sorts of information on this page here. So it goes over distribution period. It goes over what is a fair launch. Basically, it says here, distribution period for users participating in the fair launch event. Your final allocation of PALM equals the amount of tokens you deposited, total deposit of BNB deposited by all participants, total amount of PALM has been allocated to Launchpad based on the PALM allocation result. The corresponding amount of tokens will be released to users' wallets. On the day of sale, the PALM tokens can be claimed on the vesting page. This was what just happened, but now token is available on PancakeSwap for everyone. So what's a fair launch? Well, Community Fair Launch Pool is a new type of pricing mechanism for tokens that are newly launching, not often used by launch pads, but it's great potential for a successful launch. The reason why Palmswap works with a fair launch program is because with a fair launch, the community can determine the price, and thus the initial value of the token is created naturally without front running and speculation. The Community Fair Launch Pool will only be live for 3 days. It starts with a low price and goes up with each investment as the weight of the pool changes. This prevents people from pushing other participants and speculating on PALM tokens instead of using them for governance and staking. At the end of the 3 days, the fair launch pool is closed and all the tokens will be released for distribution. So it shows a chart on how a fair launch pool works on Palmswap. Now, they also have Palm introduction here. It says Palmswap protocol is a decentralized protocol for trading perpetual contracts. Palm enables a robust ecosystem around governance, rewards, and staking. all designed to drive the future growth of decentralization on Palmswap, resulting in a better experience for users. So they have, this pop-up keeps coming up. Why does that pop-up keep coming up? Okay, so Palm is the governance token of the decentralized perpetual protocol Palmswap. Palm enables a robust ecosystem around governance, rewards, and staking, each designed to drive future growth and decentralization of Palmswap, resulting in a better experience for users. Palmswap's highlights. Palmswap is a decentralized perpetual contract trading protocol that allows its users to trade with up to 10 times leverage on long and short positions at cryptocurrency price speculations. Palmswap protocol is supported by a dynamic virtual automated market maker, a DVAMM. The Palmswap ecosystem includes a governance portal, staking pool for Palm, farm pools for Palm, trading rewards, retroactive trading rewards, launchpad, new protocols that are incubated through PalmPad will be launched in the Palm universe, bringing benefits to Palm users. Token allocation, they have 100 million total supply. Initial supply is 10% of the total token supply. Price is average price. Price is calculated during the sale. Cap per subscriber, it says no cap. Token type BNB Smart Chain. Token distribution, it says during the distribution period. And then it has a distribution period blurb here, and it says for users participating in the fair launch event. Okay, so we already went through that. It just repeated itself a little bit. They do have a section here for documentation. You can also check out there, if you click on exchange, that will take you over to where you could trade for Palmswap tokens. So if I click on documentation, it takes us over to a white paper where there is a roadmap, which we'll go over here. So it says they have different fair launch dates. So phase 1 here is basically exchange V1, trading with a virtual AMM on BSC, basic exchange user interface, trading with leverage, chain link price feed creation, hourly funding payments, liquidation process, invite and bonus program, limit take profit stop conditional, protocol protection processes in any case of strong deviation from index price, trading cycles, arbitrage bot, liquidation bot, internal tests on the DEX, internal smart contract audit, bug bounty, mobile UI, improved trading interface, testnet release, alpha mainnet release, public mainnet, audit, then block rewards, staking pools, LP farming, governance, trading cycle, retroactive trading rewards, and then another audit. And then last phase is going to be mainnet V2, R&D, decentralized funds, protocol governance, trading interface redesign, bug bounty, and audit. So lots of audits and bug bounties and stuff. But yeah, you can check out their white paper at docs.palmswap.org. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Palmswap? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.